name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. I am Dr. Muhammad Rajput and you are watching my YouTube channel Pattern Vet. Today the video is about the artificial insemination in cattle or buffalo or sheep and goat. Before doing any procedure, we should observe external signs of the heat, which are as following: bellowing, it will remain uneasiness, she will move here and there, less feed intake, there is low production in milk, the hair of the tail will be erased, and you will observe vaginal discharge, which should be very transparent and thicky. And if we mix this vaginal discharge on our hand, it will make a web. Web shows that the consistency and transparency is very clear. And if you observe any turbidity or any vaginal discharge containing blood, it means there is infection in the uterus, and this animal should never be mated with bull, or you should not keep semen into the uterus because the uterus is not good. Number 4, the vulva, here please. The vulva of the animal, which is in heat, will be swollen and large in size. The animal show mounting, bellowing, and remain uneasiness. These are all external signs of the heat. Now, before doing insemination, we should observe the internal organ of the animal. Number 1, cervix, body of the uterus, right and left horn, fallopian tube, and the ovary. Please remain with us. Now I shall observe internal organ. This is mustard oil, which I will use for lubrication. This. When we are doing artificial insemination, we should stand here or in this position, not this. Bismillah. In first procedure, I shall remove the dung from the rectum. Now I shall observe the internal organ of this female heifer. And now I have grasped the cervix, which is the landmark during artificial insemination or in pregnancy test, right and left horn, and there should be tone. And ahead of the next part of the uterus, right and left horn, and horns are connected with the ovary. This is, if you observe, this is a very transparent, this. It means this buff heifer is in heat, and this is the best time for artificial insemination. I will observe the ovary, which are connected with the fallopian tube. Now I have palpated all the organs. They are good in condition. and this is the best time for AI. Now I shall prepare the semen for artificial insemination. Please stay with us. The next step, after palpating the internal reproductive organ, now I will make the sutra for insemination. This is Buffalo Sutra, the best breed of Pakistan, the Neeli Ravi. Good production, good growth rate, and it will remain in luke water for 20 seconds. After this sutra has thawed and all the sperm are moving in the sutra. This is laboratory end. Okay, this I have cut, and this is the disposable sheet which is packed. Very gently and carefully I will fix it, and this is the AI gun. Okay, this Bismillah. Again grasp the os of the cervix and insert 30-degree angle in this. Okay, this I have done. Now I shall insert, Bismillah, very gently. When you have done this, you should observe either the semen remained in the sutra or deposited in the uterus. Now open and check this. All the semen has deposited in the uterus. I hope you are enjoying this video. A humble request from you is please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.